Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in the second day of our most influential point workshop. You can also call it as most important point or VIP points. So let us start with our second day. Okay, we have discussed first 6 points in the last video, that is the yesterday's video. Today we will be discussing from 7 to 12. Okay, these 6 points we'll discuss. We'll discuss point number 7 to MIP 12 points. Okay, let us start with our today's video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative videos and get knowledge from our videos, and also to maintain their own health without any medicines and to take care of themselves. Okay, so let us start. So our most important point 7 or MIP 7, where is the location of that point? I'll just show you that. Okay, so see, this is our elbow line. Okay, this is our elbow. Okay, you can see this outer from, it is on the outer side. Okay, just understand towards some thumb side we are talking about. Okay, you can see this line where our upper arm and lower arm are there. You can see this line forming. Just below that line is this point. This is the point number 7, MIP 7. Okay, see, you can see this line just below that is this point. Okay, this point is on the outer side, that means towards thumb is this point. Okay, now let us talk about the benefits or the uses of this point. Okay, this point helps to remove negative thoughts as well as baseless thoughts. If you are thinking like too much, or you are a negative person and your brain goes in negative thoughts always, it runs through negative thoughts. Okay, and if you want to regain your composure, or if you want to be a bit of positive person, then you can use this point. It helps to calm our brain and clean our thoughts. Okay, and if our thoughts are if we do not think negative and we are like light-headed, okay, then our brain works faster and more efficient. Okay, and it will help you to become a more positive person. This point will help you to become a more positive person after sleeping for a long time. Okay, like you are sleeping the whole night, you have slept, still when you get up in the morning you do not feel fresh. If you are having that kind of problem, like you do not feel fresh in the morning, then please do use this point. Okay, this point is very efficient for that problem. This point is a homeostatic point. That means it helps our body to control or maintain its temperature. Okay, to maintain pulse rate of our body, controls our stool, our urine, our sweat, like how much we are sweating extra, or we are not at all sweating in daily basis. Okay, then that it controls that. It also controls our inner condition of the body. That means total overall full body is controlled by, that means it is balancing our whole body. Okay, it helps to remove vata rog from the body. Vata rog is typically like gas issues. Because of gas, if you are having any kind of issues, like your gas is like rotating in your body. Okay, like if you are feeling pain, like suddenly you are feeling pain in your wrist joint, after some time or some days you will say, no, my shoulder is paining, my wrist pain is now normal. Or then like after some more days you will feel like your knees are paining now, and your pain is continuously there, but the places is different every time. Okay, like some days you will say like my head is paining, some days you will say my body is paining, my shoulders are paining, my neck is paining, my back is paining, and that may further lead to arthritis. Okay, and arthritis is specially caused in Ayurveda, it is said as vata rog. Okay, like in your body there are more than percentage of gas in your body, and it is not able to come out of your body. Okay, because of that arthritis can occur. Okay, so if you are having that kind of problem, like you are feeling pains in your body, then you can use this point. You can also use it to remove gas from your body, and like if you are feeling twitching of eyes. Okay, yeah, or if you are feeling tremors in your hands, which is also called as Parkinson's problem. If you are having that problem, then it will be very helpful for you. If it also is a preventive point or prevention point for paralysis, like if you want to have precaution from paralysis, then do use this point. It will be very beneficial for you. So this was our MIP 7. Let us now know about MIP 8 point. MIP 8, the location of MIP 8, let us know about it first. See, our MIP 8 point, where our index finger and thumb, they both joined. You can see this line over here forming. Just below that line is this point MIP 8. Okay, just below the line, crease line of our index finger and thumb, where they are meeting, just below that is this point. This point is called as MIP 8. Both these points are bilateral, that means on both these sides. Okay, if you are having any kind of diseases which I have mentioned, then you will press these points for 2 to 3 times 1 minute a day. Okay, like 1 minute a day for 2 to 3 times. Okay, and if you are not having any kind of problem and like you are doing it for precautions, you will just press, hold and release for 8 to 10 times. Okay, this goes for all points, not for this one, not for only any one. Okay, this will go for any point you are using. You can just use this formula. Now talking about MIP 8, this point strengthens our large intestine. Our large intestine has mainly 2 functions. One is to absorb nutrients and second is to remove toxins from our body. Okay, so if you are having any kind of problem like you have excess of fat in your body, or your body is not able to remove toxins properly, because of which you may also have cholesterol problems. Okay, or there is more fat, what we can say, fat accommodation in your body. Okay, or like in absorption problem, there can be like you are eating nutrient rich foods. Okay, you are eating good nutrient rich foods, you are eating full of nutrition foods, but still if you are having problem like you are having vitamin B12 deficiency, you are having vitamin C deficiency, omega-3 fatty acids deficiency, if you are having vitamin D deficiency, if you are having you are having your milk properly, you are having your milk and milk products properly, you are having all these nutrient rich foods, then also if you are having this problem, that means your large intestine are not absorbing nutrients properly. Okay, like you are eating nutrient rich food, but that is not absorbed by your body properly, which mean large intestine absorbs nutrients, right? But it is not able to absorb nutrient properly. If you are having that kind of issues, like if you are having vitamin D issue, vitamin B12 issue, okay, or any kind of vitamin deficiency, then do use this point. This point is also called as pain relief point. So if you are having it is an analgesic point, right? Like if whenever we have any kind of pain, we just take a painkiller tablet and we eat it, right? But if you do not want to eat medicines, like eating medicines does cause side effects, but you can use this point if you are having any kind of body ache, like if you are having neck pain, if you are having shoulder pain, if you are having knee pains, if you are having what I can say, headache, or shoulder pain, back pain, stomach ache, any kind of pain if you are having, use this point. This point is best for migraine. Okay, so if you are having migraine headache, then do definitely use this point. It helps to remove toxins from our brain. This point is also called as a best point when in kids they are having throat issues. Okay, their tonsils, they have tonsil problem regularly, then you can use this point. Like sore throat issue, then also you can use this point. Or if someone is having toothache problem, then also this point will be very good for them. So this was our MIP 8. Let us know about MIP 9 point now. So let us know the location of MIP 9. So the location is see, on your small finger. Okay, on both the side, on the back side of our hand, on the small finger, just below the nail of the small finger towards thumb side is this point. You can see over here, just below the nail of the small finger towards thumb is this point. Okay, you can see it clearly, I guess now. Or if you are not able to see this point clearly, you can see the photo I have shared above. Okay, let us talk about the importance or usefulness of this point or benefits of this point. Okay, this point gives strength to heart, pulmonary and artery valve stenosis. It prevents that. It helps to prevent stenosis in pulmonary and artery valve whenever while you are eating food. Okay, and the food gets stuck in your throat or like in your esophagus, or like while eating food, you are watching TV or you are talking, and because of that reason, if the food goes in the windpipe, rather than going from the esophagus, it goes into the windpipe, and like you are feeling suffocation, you are not able to like remove the food out, okay, or it's not going inside completely, then do press this point. This situation is very emergency situation, and because of which, like if you are not able to breathe in properly, then there are chances to lose life. Okay, so please do press this point. If anyone is having this kind of issue, then definitely what you need to do is like take your thumb and index finger, make a hook of thumb and index finger, make a hook of it and press this point properly like this. Okay, this point comes on both the hand. In that situation, if you are pressing this point especially on the left hand, will give more benefits. According to Chinese acupuncture and acupressure, this point is also called as a emergency point for heart. So if you are facing problem, if anyone is facing, not only you, if anyone is facing problem like heart attack, heart blockage, sudden heart problem, okay, like heart stroke or something, like any kind of heart issue, heart failure or something, if someone is facing that problem, then do press this point. That does not mean like only pressing this point will give benefits and that person will be completely fine. No, that does not mean like that. What exactly it means is, while that person is facing this problem, while you have called an ambulance and the ambulance is coming to pick up the person, or if you are driving to the hospital, in between that time you can press this point. This point will help for the person to remain conscious, and it will also help so that the person does not the problem does not increase more, and there are chances like a bit of secured kind of. Okay, so press this point if anyone is having any kind of like emergency situation, especially is heart pain, heart stroke or heart failure, any kind of that issues, do press this point. This is also a good point, or it also nourishes our arteries. So if you are having any kind of artery disorder, then also you can use this point. This point also helps to improve our concentration and IQ levels. So this was MIP 9 for you. This was MIP. This was MIP 9 for you all. Let us know about MIP 10 location. Now MIP 10 location. Okay, let us know the location of MIP 10. See, our MIP 10 comes over here. You can see this on the small finger. If you fold it like this, towards this side is the point MIP 10. Okay, on this line, which are white side and the black side join, that on that line itself is this point. I hope you can see the location of the point. Yeah, just below this knuckle area is this point in the mid. Okay, just below the knuckle of our small finger is this point. If you are not able to see this point over here clearly, please check the photo. You will see it properly then. So MIP 10 point. What are the benefits of MIP 10 point? This point strengthens our spinal vertebra. This point is also a very good point if you are having cervical pain, if you are having degeneration in cervical vertebrae, or if you are having any kind of spine disorders, mainly in degeneration in spine or spinal pain, like if you are having back pain, if you are having degeneration in L4, L5, S1, S2, or any such like teeth, thoracic area, if you are having, any such issues, then this point is very beneficial for that. So if you are having spinal issues, like any spinal issues, then this point, particularly use this point. Okay, then this point also helps too if someone's body temperature is dropping. Okay, we are normal, we have a body temperature of 37 degrees something, and if their body temperature is dropping, then you can use this point. Working a full day in your laptop or computers, and you have like we said bend it, right? So because of that, if you are feeling stiffness in your neck area, then also you can use this point. Because of temperature change, if someone is having cold, sneezing issues, or sudden cold, if someone is having acute cold, which we call it as, if someone is having that issue, then also you can use this point. If someone is having arm pain, finger pain, then also this point will be very helpful for them. So this was MIP 10 for you all. Now let us discuss MIP 11 point. So now we discussed our MIP 7 over here on this side of our elbow, right? Now MIP 3 will be on the MIP 11 will be on the internal side of our hand, on the towards elbow side. Okay, over here you can see this location on the internal side of our hand. If you go straight below the small finger side, okay, you can see this crease line of the elbow. Just below that is this point. This point is called as MIP 11. Okay, this point will be on both the sides. That means this point will be over here also, on other hand also. Okay, let us see the benefits of this point. This point is called as joy creator point. That means if you are always feeling sad, like in your life everything is going normal, but you are not feeling happiness from your inside, and you feel like sad, you feel aggressive, you feel angry or frustrated on small things, then do use this point, as this point will help to increase your inner peace, your inner calmness, and will make you happy. Okay, if someone is having depression problem, like schizophrenia problem, or like mania or madness problem, if someone is having, then use this point. This point gives it makes our heart calm, especially. Okay, it like makes our heart cool, like in Hindi we call it as shanti, like giving peacefulness towards our heart. Okay, if you are having heartburn problem, then also you can use this point. If someone is having writer cramp problem or carpal tunnel syndrome problem, then you can use this point. If you are feeling tremors in your hands, your eyes are red, if you are feeling like burning in your eyes, then also this point will be very helpful for you. This was our MIP 11 point. Let us discuss MIP 12 now. So MIP 12, the location of MIP 12, please check it properly. See, you can see this nose. Okay, the starting point of the nose area over here, this is our MIP 12 point. Okay, just below the starting of the nose on both the sides, this is our MIP 12 point. Okay, see over here. If you are not able to see over here properly, please check the photos. So this point is very good point if someone is having facial paralysis problem, that is called as Bell's palsy. If someone is having that problem, then this is very good for them. This is also a very good point as in precaution or prevention from paralysis. If someone has had paralysis attack, and if they do not want to have second attack again of paralysis, then to prevent second attack also you can use this point. How to know if someone is about to have paralysis attack again? Okay, like if they have had their paralysis attack, they have had once they have had their paralysis attack, and if you are like thinking they may have paralysis attacks again, then how will you check if they are about to have their paralysis attack, or will there be any kind of chances that paralysis attack will be there again? So like please say that person, or like check yours, remove your tongue. Okay, see, my tongue comes straight out, right? But if in some person, if the tongue is not coming straight but a bit like bended towards the right side or a bit bended towards the left side, okay, like this or like this, okay, that means the gas, there is more vat in their body, okay, there is the gas circulation going on in their body, and there are chances that they can have paralysis attack again. So this point will be very useful for them. They should definitely use this point. Okay, this point is very helpful for any kind of vat row. That means if you are having gases in your body, if your gases are rotating in your body, then also you can use this point. That means if you are having tremors in your body, if you are like having twitching of eye problem, or like if your vat is like out of your body, is removed out of your body, then your mind will be more clearer. If someone is having more sneezing problem, then that will also be cured. If you are having a problem of tinnitus, that means your ears are like you have voices from ears. If you have that problem, then in that situation also this point will be very helpful for you all. So this is MIP 12. Okay, so we have discussed most 6 points today. So that's all for the day. I hope you all have enjoyed your sessions and like you are getting knowledge from this. Please do let us know in the comment sections if you are enjoying this videos, and like how actually you are feeling it, and do write this notes properly in your book so that you do not need to like come again and again and view these videos. But if you have written knowledge, then you will be more clearer about the locations of the points and like what benefits they give and all that things. Thank you so much everyone for the day.